welcome back to our EVS class. Today I am here with a new topic, that's a question. Actually, I don't know the answer. You must help me to find the answer. Ready? The question is, what if it finishes? What does this mean? Yes, we know that something is going to finish. What to do if it is finishes? What does it means here? Do you know? Okay, let's find out. Before that, here one school trip is there to Adelaide Stepwell. It is about 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. So, let's see a school trip, then find the answer. We started our journey. After that, we began counting the vehicles on the road. Some of us counted bicycles, others counted the buses, cars, motorcycles, etc. The driver suddenly braked at the red light. It was a big crossing and we could see the traffic lined up on all sides. The sound of loud horns and smoke coming out of the vehicles. Maybe that is why a little boy in a rickshaw was coughing so much. After some time, our bus stopped at a petrol pump. There was a long queue for filling petrol. We all got down from the bus and started looking around the petrol pump. We saw many large boards and posters. We read the poster. Petrol and diesel will not last forever. Save it for your children. Make every drop go a long way. Switch off the engine when you stop the car. We could not understand why it was written that petrol and diesel will not last forever. We thought of asking an uncle who works at the petrol pump. Abraham asked the uncle, "Uncle, from where do we get petrol and diesel?" Uncle replied, "From deep down under the ground." Then Manju asked, "But how does it get made there?" Uncle told, "It is formed naturally, but very slowly. It is not made by a human being or a machine." After hearing this, Abraham replied, "Then we don't need to buy it. We can take it out ourselves using a bowel like we pump out water." Uncle replied, "It is not found everywhere, but only at a few places in our country. We need big machine to pump it out and clean it." Uncle explaining how oil is extracted from the deep down below the earth. It is not easy to find out where oil is deep down below the earth. Scientists use special techniques and machines to find this out. Then, through pipes and machines, petroleum is pumped up. This oil is a smelly, thick, dark colored liquid. It contains many things mixed in it. To clean and separate this, it is sent to a oil refinery. What is that oil refinery? An oil refinery is an industrial process plant where crude oil is processed and refined into useful petroleum products. It is from this petroleum or oil that we get kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil and fuel for aircrafts. It is also used in making several other things like plastics and paints. Children, do you know which states of India have oil fields? Yes, Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh are the states of India have oil fields. Besides oil, what else is found deep inside the earth? Do you know? Yes. Besides oil, many minerals are found deep inside the earth. Example, coal, iron, copper, bauxite, gold, etc. Then Devya asked to uncle, is petrol going to finish? The poster said that petrol is not going to last forever. Uncle replied, it does not get made as fast as we take it out. It takes lakhs of years for it to be formed under the earth. Abraham asked, how will vehicles run if the oil finishes? Manju replied, on CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. Uncle replied with a laugh that CNG also comes from below the earth. It is also limited. Children, can you suggest some ways to save oil? Yes. First one, use public transport instead of personal vehicles. Second, prefer walking or cycling if you need to go short distances. Next, switch off the engine of vehicle on red lights. Next, use solar energy wherever possible. Next, pulses, rice, etc. should be soaked in water before cooking. Now look at the poster. Do you know where all is oil used? Oil is used for dry cleaning, as fuel for automobiles and airplanes, as kerosene and LPG, to run machine, for lighting lamp, and for making plastic and paints. Now, can you see this image? She is Durga, lives in a village in Haryana. Every day she spends many hours collecting wood for the chulha, means stove. Her daughter also to help her in this. She has cough because of smoke while burning damp wood. Today, about 2/3 people in our country use apla, wood and dried twigs, etc. These are used not only for cooking food but also for keeping warm, for heating water and for lighting. Many other things are used for all activities at home: kerosene, LPG, coal, electricity, etc. Now you can see two chart here. This chart shows the number of houses out of 100 that use each type of fuel. It also shows the use of which fuel has increased and which fuel has decreased over the past 20 years. Children, I asked one question first. Did you remember? Yes. What is the answer? We learned the oils like petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. are going to be finishes if you do not use them properly. So, save fuel for better future. That's all in this lesson. See you next class. Bye.